In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive link for a video. We will walk through uploading your video, setting the right sharing options, and getting a link you can safely share. First, on your computer, go to Google Drive. You can do this in any modern browser. When Google Drive loads, you should see your folders and files on a simple white background with a menu on the left. If you do not see your usual files, check that you are signed into the correct Google account in the top right corner. Now upload your video. Click the button labeled Plus New in the top left corner. A small menu opens from that button. From this menu, select File Upload. As soon as you click File Upload, a file chooser window appears from your computer, showing your folders and files. In that file chooser window, choose your video. You can pick an MP4 file or another common video format. When you click the file and then click Open, the upload starts right away. Back in Google Drive, look in the bottom right corner. You will see a small upload status box with a progress bar and the file name. Wait for the video to finish uploading. Do not close the tab until the upload shows as completed. When it is done, the status box will say Upload Complete. You will also see the video file appear in your Drive file list, usually at the top if you sort by recent. Next, right-click the video file in Google Drive and select Share. A sharing window opens in the center of your screen. At the top of this window, you see the file name, and below that some sharing options and email fields. Under the section called General Access, click the word Restricted. A small menu appears that lets you control who can open the link. By default, it usually starts as restricted, which means only people you add by email can view the file. From that menu, select Anyone with the link. Now the text under General Access changes to show anyone with the link. This setting means that anyone who receives the link can open the video, even if they are not signed into Google. Make sure the permission level next to that is set to Viewer. Viewer means they can watch or download the video but cannot change or delete the file. If it is set to anything higher, like Editor, click and switch it back to Viewer so you stay in control of the original. Once the access and permission look correct, click Copy Link. Google Drive copies the full shareable link to your clipboard, and you may see a brief message saying Link Copied. Nothing visible changes in the file list yet, but the link is ready to paste. Finally, click Done. The sharing window closes, and you are back on your main Google Drive view. You now have a shareable link for your video ready to use. You can now paste that link into an email, messenger, a text message, a website, or anywhere you need to share the video. Google confirms that anyone with the link means anyone who has the link can access the file without necessarily signing in, so only use it when that level of access is acceptable. If you only want specific people to see the video, instead of choosing anyone with the link, keep General Access set to Restricted and enter their Google account email address in the Share window. Give them viewer access so they can watch the video without editing or deleting the file, which is safer for important recordings. For an important privacy setting, if the video is private, do not choose anyone with the link. Use Restricted and share it only with specific people you trust so the link cannot be opened by anyone who finds it. You have just learned how to upload a video to Google Drive and create the right kind of shareable link for it. If this helped you get your video shared the way you wanted, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you like clear tutorials like this, feel free to subscribe.